Welcome to the cells of the immune system. The immune system is comprised of various different tissue groups, organ systems, and specialized but widely distributed defense cells. Together, they join forces in a never-ending battle with the germy world. So imagine reading a book while walking down the garden where all these different unwanted microorganisms can enter your body and infiltrate your system. What is the body's first line of defense, you ask? Of course, it's the innate non-specific immune system, which is basically the external physical barricades, like the skin, as long as there are tough keratinized epithelial membrane that doesn't get torn or open. Another physical barrier is the mucus in your nose. It works by trapping the bacteria before it enters the lungs. If, however, you wounded yourself, your first line of defense has been breached. Your internal innate defenses will handle the rest of these infiltrators. The first defensive cells are phagocytes, which engulfs these intruders. Some of these phagocytes are the neutrophils, which self-destruct after devouring a pathogen, and also there are the macrophages, which uses cytoplasmic extensions to reel it in, engulf it, and display the antigen. When a stronger antigen such as a virus or bacteria enters the body, the adaptive immune system will handle the rest. The adaptive immune system includes the T cells and the B cells. The T cells develop in the stem cells, specifically in the bone marrow. They particularly target specific foreign particles. To start with, helper T cells have CD4 molecules which serve as a co-receptor for the T cell receptors. The TCR, or the T cell receptor, are responsible for recognizing the antigens bound to the major histocompatibility complex molecules, or the MHC. An antigen-presenting cell such as the macrophage will bind with the TCR of the helper T cell when the antigen is recognized. The helper T cells will secrete cytokines. Cytokines are chemical messengers to other cells. They allow immune response to happen and will activate the T and the B cells. Moving on, we have the B cells, also known as the B lymphocytes. They function in the humoral immunity component of the adaptive immune system.
The B cell will attach to an antigen of the bacterium and become activated. The B cell will present the portion of antigen on its surface through MHC2 for the helper T cell to bind with it. The B cells will go crazy and start reproducing memory B cells and effector B cells.
Memory B cells are long-lived immune cells capable of recognizing foreign particles they were previously exposed to, thus the memory in their name.
Those effector B cells are plasma B cells that secrete antibodies. These antibodies will be released to the bloodstream to attack the microbes to neutralize them.
Next, we have the cytotoxic T cell. Those T cells are responsible for eliminating infected cells.
The cytotoxic T cell recognizes an epitome on the surface of infected cell. Once the cytotoxic T cell confirms the recognition of an infected cell, it will release perforins and granzymes that will kill the infected cell.
Perforin is a pore-forming protein and also known as cytoplasmic granule toxins. Perforin and granzyme secreted by the T cell puts the infected cell into a state of apoptosis. So the takeaway here is that your immune system is usually really good at its job. Isn't it amazing how the body is both resilient and fragile at the same time? Wherever you are and whatever you are doing, whether it be swimming or camping, your immune system will do its job and protect you from pathogens that may come your way. So stay healthy and enjoy life. Thank you for watching!